Hi, welcome to Maree P. My name's Sue and today I'm going to share a gluten-free 4-cup coconut cake. It's super easy and you only need 4 cups or 4 ingredients. So the first step you need to do is to turn your oven on to 160 degrees fan or 180 if you don't have a fan. And as usual, I'll pop some Fahrenheit measurements above. Grab a large bowl and we're going to use milk, white sugar, desiccated coconut, and today I'm going to use self-raising gluten-free flour in a brand here in the UK called Dove's Free. And we're going to do it in a 20 centimetre round cake tin, so grease that and paper line the bottom. And you just throw everything in. So 1 cup of sugar, and I've run out of caster sugar, so this is just white sugar. I'm moving next week, so I'm in the throes of using up my ingredients. So this is a great one if you've got a bare cupboard and you've got guests and you want to make a fancy, well, you just want to make a cake for dessert, and I wasn't watching, and that's 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Here we just get an unsweetened variety, which is, this one's organic. We do a cup of flour. If you don't have gluten-free flour, you can just pop regular flour in. If you've just got like spelt flour, just add 1 cup plus 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Doesn't become 4 ingredients, becomes 5, but shh, who cares? Who knows? I'm just going to whisk those, and I've created all this dust with my flour. And I've got pea milk in the fridge today, so I'm going to put in a cup of pea milk, but pop oat milk, almond milk, regular milk, whatever you've got. And oh, how's that? I didn't even check, and I've got perfectly 1 cup. It's a good filming day today. So now we just mix all that together. And I have made this before where I've added some chopped up apples to make it like an apple cake. You can put in dried fruit, you can put in dates. Haven't tried it with banana, but probably could work. And then I just pour it into my cake tin. I can't speak. The oven is hot enough, so now I'm going to bake this for 40 minutes until it's golden brown and the skewer comes out clean. So the cake's all cooked, and I've had it sitting here for about 15 minutes cooling down. I've just removed the ring. So to decorate it, it bumps up the ingredients to 6 ingredients, but I just grab like a little bit of icing sugar and just dust the top. For some reason, I've got a dip in my cake. I don't think I mixed it well enough. That is a lot of icing sugar, Sue, so maybe not so much. Talking away. And then I've got some berries. Some fresh berries, so I'll just take a little slice out. And because we've used coconut, it's quite a moist cake. You just pop a few berries on top, and then you can do a few chopped strawberries as well. So let me do a taste test of my 4 ingredient cupcake. It's still warm. What a simple cake to have in your back pocket. It's perfect to whip up when you just have guests coming at the last minute. And I've made this today gluten-free and vegan, so it's non-dairy. It is a little bit on the sweeter side of some of my cake recipes. You could drop the sugar back to ½ cup. It will stay fresh for about 4 days on the bench. And I haven't tried freezing it, but you could probably, once it's totally cool, cut it up and freeze it. Have a go. Let me know how you go, and share it with a friend, and pop some other simple recipes up above. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.